Alright, let's do this. Hey foodies, this is Chef Abyssinia and I am back with another recipe video. Today we are going to be making mulled cider. So this is an apple cider with spices. It can be served either hot or cold. And if you want to spike it, you can add a little bit of alcohol and it's the perfect adult drink. The recipe is very straightforward and it tastes amazing. Let's get started. We're gonna start off with some apple cider, add that to a pot, and then to your pot you're going to add all of your spices. Once you have all of your spices in, go ahead and add your fresh fruit, cover with a lid and allow it to come to a boil. Once your cider comes to a boil, turn off the heat and allow it to steep for at least 5 minutes. The last step would be to add your liquor of choice if desired, and then this drink can be served either hot or cold. So this is honestly the perfect year-round drink, perfect for the holidays, perfect for fall, winter, spring, like you name it. Now let me load you up with some other holiday recipes. These are some of my favorites. Go ahead and check them out and let me know your thoughts. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video.